Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Soul steering wheel. This common issue can be frustrating, but it's usually simple to resolve. The steering wheel lock is a built-in anti-theft feature that engages when the key is removed or the engine is off. To begin, insert your key into the ignition. Once your key is in the ignition, apply gentle, consistent pressure as if you are trying to turn it to the on position. At the same time, firmly rock the steering wheel from side to side. This action helps release the tension on the locking mechanism. Remember, avoid using excessive force on either the key or the wheel to prevent damage. If the rocking method doesn't work immediately, try using a spare key. Sometimes a worn key can be the culprit. Also, if your car won't start at all, a dead or weak battery might be preventing the lock from disengaging. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis. To prevent your Kia Soul steering wheel from locking again, try to ensure the wheel is straight before turning off the engine and removing the key. Always remove the key gently, avoiding any sudden turns of the wheel after the engine is off. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Following these tips can help keep your steering wheel free.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.